In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Airtable seamlessly. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep everything in one place, this tutorial is perfect for you. Once you get this set up, you'll be able to sync your emails, calendars, or tasks efficiently, saving you loads of time and effort. Let's dive into it, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth integration. First, you'll need to log into your Airtable account. This is your starting point, so if you haven't already done so, make sure your login credentials are handy. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the integrations section. You'll usually find this by going to the main dashboard. Look for the menu that houses all setting options, and integrations should be right there. Once you're in the integrations section, your next step is to find the Microsoft Outlook integration. Airtable has a wide range of integrations, so it may take a moment to locate Outlook among the list. It's worth the effort though, as this integration will really enhance your ability to manage your workload directly from Airtable. Click on the Connect option once you've located Microsoft Outlook in the list. This will initiate the process of connecting your Outlook account with Airtable. Now you'll need to authorize Airtable to access your Outlook account. Don't worry, this step is perfectly secure. A prompt will generally appear asking you to sign in to your Outlook account with your username and password. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions and give permission for Airtable to access necessary components like your emails, calendars, or tasks. With the accounts now linked, you're just a step away from better productivity. It's time to set up your automations. Automations are key in ensuring that your emails, calendars, or tasks sync effortlessly in the background. Head over to your Airtable base that you want to connect to Outlook. Within the base, look for options related to automation. This might be labeled as Create Automation, or something similar, enabling you to choose what data you wish to sync. Decide if you want to sync emails, perhaps for archiving and tracking conversations, or calendars to keep your schedule up to date, or maybe tasks to enhance your project management capabilities. Airtable provides flexibility, so tailor it to fit your needs. Once you configure your settings, give it a test run to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can check your sync data on Airtable to confirm that emails or events are showing as expected, lending to a harmonious integration between your platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Microsoft Outlook with Airtable, enhancing your workspace synergy. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and that it helps you keep your workflow organized and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!